Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer money to Citibank accounts. So first, of course, here we'll see ways to transfer money to our Citibank account. So as you can see, transferring money means moving funds from one bank to another, one person to another, or your bank account to you. You may need to move money around to help maybe family members, friends, and etc. So we don't care about that. There are several ways to transfer money, including through a wire, ACH transfer, mobile app, personal check, cashier check, or money orders. Let's learn more about some ways to transfer money. So there's the ACH and wire transfers from bank websites. So you can do that from a bank website wherever or it doesn't matter which bank you want to send from. You can just go to that bank and simply like enter the bank information of your Citibank and make a transfer or do a wire transfer. There's even the option of doing it through the mobile app if your bank is providing an application. You can go there and look for transfer tabs, click on the transfer tab, and then you'll have to enter your Citibank information, enter the amount that you want to transfer, and transfer. You can do that through personal check as example. It's very known. And for cashier checks, example, cashier check is drawn from a bank funds and therefore guaranteed by the bank. There are usually preferred form of payments for things like down payments or security deposits. Cashier check can often be used if personal checks are not accepted. You can obtain a cashier check from your bank for the amount of the check plus fee. And of course, there's even money orders, which is going to be a good option if you're sending money internationally, particularly to places where banking isn't easily accessible. If you want to send money order, you must request it in person, indicate the P and the amount to pay for the value of the money orders as well as any associated service fees. And money orders can also take longer to clear than other ways of sending money, such as electronic transfers. And yeah, that's how, or that are the ways to send your money to your Citibank account. It's very simple and it's very known. And yeah, that's gonna be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.